Bhaiya, now I know how computer is useful to us. I am now curious to know more about it.
Good to know this, dear. This is just the starting of the journey. There are many more interesting things waiting for you. For now, you know how to switch on this computer. Can you please switch it on for me?
Sure, Bhaiya. Oh, last time also when you turned on the computer, the same screen was there.
You are very smart. You notice a lot of things. This screen always appears when you switch on this computer. This is because of a program that comes preloaded in the computer.
Oh, what is this program called?
This is the operating system of this computer.
Operating system?
Yes, the operating system. This is the program that helps us to interact with computer programs.
Interesting.
So, let us now know more about operating system and its types. We will also know about some basic functionalities of operating system. After completing this module, you will be able to describe the functions of operating system, explain graphical user interface or GUI, personalize the Windows desktop, manage files and folders in a computer, use computer accessories. We have seen that the operating system plays an important role in using a computer. Let's see various functions of the operating system. It controls and coordinates the operations of a computer. It eases the interaction between the user and the computer. It controls input and output devices. It controls execution of computer programs. It manages the use of the main memory of computer. It helps the user to manage and manipulate files. So, is the computer useless without the operating system? Exactly. Every computer needs an operating system to function. There are a number of operating systems available today. Some famous ones are Unix, Linux, Windows 9X, Windows XP, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows 8, Windows 7, Android, Macintosh OS. All these operating systems have some unique features. Android and Windows 8 are also used in mobile phones. So, now can you guess which operating system are we using in this computer? Right, we are using Windows 7. Windows family of operating systems is the most popular operating system. This is made by the Microsoft Corporation of the United States of America. To know the version of a Windows operating system, go to the desktop and right-click on Computer. Select Properties. Here you can see the name and version of the Windows operating system. Operating system can be user-friendly with many icons and images, or it can be just text or characters based. Based on this feature, operating system can be categorized into two types: Character User Interface or CUI, Graphical User Interface or GUI. Look at the following images. First image does not have any icons or images. It has only text and characters. Hence, it is called Character User Interface. We perform any task on CUI by giving commands in text, such as rename, CLS, CD, MD, and dir, or directory. Example of CUI is Disk Operating System or DOS, or DOS. Now, look at the second image. This image has a background picture as well as many icons. Hence, we call it a graphical user interface. Examples of GUI are Windows XP, Windows NT, and Windows 7. Let us know more about Windows 7. Look at the GUI of Windows 7. This interface makes it easy for you to interact with the applications that you want to use. It also helps you to choose programs and keep them organized. Windows are a WYS, WYG kind of graphical user interface. Means, what you see is what you get. If the operating system on your computer is Windows, the first screen that appears after switching on the computer is the desktop. The desktop is similar to the top of our desk. As we can keep all the things like a pen to write, brushes to paint, calculator, and alarm clock on our desk, we can use the Windows desktop to keep all the applications and utilities organized in the computer. The desktop is divided into two areas: the main area or the desktop and the taskbar. The narrow strip here at the bottom is called the taskbar. The taskbar contains a start button that we can use to access all the programs of the computer. You can also pin various programs to the taskbar as icons that can be used to quick access of the programs. The taskbar has a clock at the right side. The desktop has a background. The background is called the wallpaper of the computer.